Hi there, Sarah here with the Marketing Machine Company. In today's tutorial, we want to show you how to create a Facebook page for your business. In this tutorial, we will show you how to upload a cover photo that is the right size, how to upload a profile photo, and how to create a custom page name, and then ultimately how to publish your page. But before we get started, we'd like to ask you to take a moment and smash that like button so that we can help our YouTube and Facebook algorithm show this video to more users who are searching for this topic. The kinds of posts that you can create with your Facebook business page are organic posts. Those are free posts. Or you can boost a post. In other words, you pay to show that post to a broader market or create a broader awareness. But the kinds of posts that we're not referring to are Facebook ads in this. We have separate tutorials for Facebook ads. Starting out can seem overwhelming, and if that's the case for you, we recommend starting out with maybe just one post a week and then increasing from there. Consistency is the key to generate a good audience and interest in your company and the services that you offer. Here are some reasons that your business should have a Facebook page and make consistent posts. 80% of internet users use Facebook every day. Facebook has 1.74 billion users on mobile. That's a lot of people to tap in that market. And 1.15 billion of that group is on Facebook every day. So let's dive in to our step-by-step tutorial as to how you create your Facebook business page. All right, so we are inside of Facebook. I'm logged in to my personal account. And then in the upper right-hand corner, there is a plus mark button that you want to select. Go down to page because we are going to create a new page. Once you click on page, you're going to put in your company name. And so for this purpose of this tutorial, I'll just put in demo page, but your page name would be your company name. And then you're going to click on the category, and I'm going to choose landscape company. But you can see when you type in landscape, there are several options there for you to choose from. And so landscape company is the category that I've selected. And then I'm going to choose a description. I just type in some words here, maybe the services that I offer. So I say, we offer landscaping, lawn maintenance, and sprinkler systems. Once I have that in, I'm just going to say create page. And it says that my page was created. Now what I need to do is add some images for the profile picture, which would go here, and the cover photo, which would go up above. So I have pre-designed those for this purpose, and I'm going to add my profile picture, which we recommend the profile picture to be your logo. So your company logo, because when you publish a post, that's going to be spread across Facebook and give you that recognition as a company. So I put my demo logo there that I've created, and then I'm going to add a cover photo. And so I'll grab that. And in our cover photo, we recommend that you put in a photo of your team at work, and then the services that you offer up at the top. And so it gives you a more custom or personalized feeling when someone looks at your page. The final thing that I'd like to do is show you how to create a custom link for your Facebook page. So I'm going to save this. And then I can select or give my page a custom name, create the username. Right now, it currently just refers to it as demo page with some numbers after it. So when I create a username, I then can have a link that is more custom with words rather than numbers. So you can put in your company name. I'm just going to put in demo page, and you would click create username. There is one caveat, however, if that username has already been chosen by someone, you would need to select something different. So that wraps up our tutorial. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you should need additional assistance, we're available at thelandscapemarketinggroup.com, and we look forward to chatting with you. Thanks.